Hi guys, welcome to Flipping Cars Repairs. Guess what? I've got another car. This time it's crash damaged. Look at the state of this. Wheel completely dead and gone. Tyre completely blown out. And then under here, this is a bit broken. As you can see, that is a bit bent. But you know me, I can easily fix this. That's what you need. Multi-point, 36mm. On there, undo that. And then we've got to take brake caliper off. That's already broken. Undo that, drop that off. Look at that, that's a banana, isn't it? Take the shock off and we'll go from there. Make this video in one go. I'm literally going to do this in one day, so show you how you can literally do a crash damaged car in a day, easy, job done, it'll be back on the road and driving. I think that is not meant to look like that. Where's the rest of the disc? I think it's broken. Don't think that will really work anymore. Right, caliper's coming off now. Just got to undo this, undo that. That'll be whipped off. Stick that up there. Undo that, and then we'll undo this, and then we'll bang that, and then undo that one there, and this will come off. The bottom one's already broken and bent. Then we'll disconnect this ABS sensor, and then that will just need to be released on the top, a few bolts up the top, and that'll drop all out. So I'm going to do that now. Undo that. Move the skull panel, just undo that. Get this off now, and there you go, we've got to undo that nut there. There you go, it's all removed. Now just got to undo this, put some clamps on there, put a new shocker on it. Use this spring, and then I'm going to use a whole new shocker, undo this, and then separate it. So that's the area now, and then we've got to undo this wishbone. And nothing else is bent by the looks of things, so it's all good. I think it's broke. Look at this. think that's bent. That's all on. Just put the old one of this on because they don't give you a new one. Slide it over, just like that. Right, that's all on. Now we're going to put on the wishbone on, and then put some new pads and discs on. Look out somewhere, guys, you can see the red arrows and all the Spitfire planes and everything, because it's the air show going on. I don't know if you can hear it. I don't think this is bent. If not, I'll change it later on. That's the difference. I think this is bent, don't you? That's what happens when you hit a curb at speed. Your car never wins, but the curb does. There you go, that's how buggered it is. I think it's a bit bent. I think that's a bit bent as well. And there you go, one wishbone on, and it's none of the chassis bent or any of that. They went straight in, didn't even need to hit it, just slid in nicely. So that's great. I'll just remove this from here to shook off. That's the shook off. Basically all you do is put a wedge in there, a crowbar or something, and then smack it with a hammer and that pop off. So now we've got to take the spring off this, and then there's your new one there. And no, I did not supply this stuff because it's just cheap rubbish. There it is. Voila. So stick that on now. Put the spring all on. And then job done. Right, spring clamps on, just got to tighten these up, take this off, undo that nut there, and then put that spring on that one. So I'm going to do that now. There you go, guys, all done. So now just got to fix the hub, which is there, onto the bottom of this, and then we can put it back in the car. Joys of crash damaged cars. This bit was on there, cut that off, thought I might be able to smash it through the other way, but no, this nut is completely not working, and now it won't even cut through. Look at that. But then it can cut through that. Makes no sense whatsoever. Right, so struts on, guys. Just done the drop link on there, that's all done. That's not bent, so I'm going to see how it goes, otherwise I will replace that. This hub's all still fine. I've put a new steering rack from there, track rod end, and there's a new wishbone which is there, and as you can see it's starting to get a bit dark. So I'm going to put new discs on here, new pads, and put the caliper on, and then put the new wheel, because there's another wheel, because that is totally mullered. There you go, guys. That's all on. So now we've just got to whip the wheel on and take it for a test drive. Right, last bit of the puzzle. flat tyre, but that's nothing. So there you go, guys. I made it. Told you I'd do it. It didn't even take a day, it took a couple of hours, because I've been doing other things, other cars and whatever. And yeah. See what a wicked colour this is. Anyway, there you go, guys. Hope you like this content. Please like and subscribe. Catch you later. See you later.